here. Now, for dicing, we are going to remember the root. Once again, the root is the key part here. It's the most important part. The root always keeps the onion together. We're going to keep the onion together. We're going to cut in. As you see, we've got cuts. We're using our hand as the guide. The hand stays in a claw formation like this. The knuckles are the guide for the knife. We're coming in here. This is going to be about a 1/2 inch dice. So once again, as we see here, the core is holding the onion together. Then we come down here and we are going to cut approximately halfway for a 1/2 inch. Okay? Once again, the core is holding it together. Then we're going to come back in here. And for this, we're going to pick our knife up and saw down. This is the motion of the knife for cutting. It's a rocking motion. So this is approximately a 1/2 inch dice. Now as you come down here, you can just break it apart a little bit more. And here, this is an approximately 1/2 inch dice onion. Now, typically when I get down here, I usually just trim this up a little bit more and cut that. Most people don't necessarily like to have the stem, the root ends in their food, so they either get rid of it. I don't get rid of it. I use it. You know, why waste it? There we go. There's our nice medium dice onion.